Hi guys, today I'm gonna solve the problem, the first order ODE, by using separation of variables. Here's my question. So y cubed over x dy over dx equal to square root 1 minus y and fourth power multiply ln x, right? Here's my initial value, y1 equal to 0. Okay, so from this equation, we just multiply x dx to whole equation, right? So now y cubed dy equal to square root 1 minus y fourth power ln x multiply x dx, right? And then divided by square root 1 minus y fourth power, the whole equation. So y cubed over 1 minus y fourth power dy equal to x ln x dx, right? So now you can see this guy is just function of y for dy, right? And this guy is a function of x for dx, right? So now we can do integration to whole equation, right? So we can integrate to whole equation. So we can find y cubed over square root y fourth power dy equal to integral x ln x dx, right? So we can call this guy just number 1 and this guy is number 2, right? So we can solve the first double, the number 1, and y cubed over square root 1 minus y fourth power dy, right? So just let 1 minus y fourth power equal to z, right? From here we can find dz over dy, right? Which is minus 4y cubed, right? So what is the dy? dy equal to 1 minus 4 y cubed dz, right? So now we can use this term to here, right? So integral y cubed over square root z, right? Because we just assume that 1 minus y fourth power equal to z, so this guy will be to z, right? And then what about dy? dy is 1 over minus 4y cubed dz, right? So we can cancel this guy. So minus 1 over 4 integral 1 over square root z dz, right? So from here we can rewrite this equation to here, z negative 1 over 2 dz, right? So we can integrate this guy. What is this? This is minus 1 over 4 2 multiply z 1 over 2, right? So now we can more simply negative 1 over 2 z 1 over 2 and plus c1, right? So what is z? G is like just 1 minus y fourth power right? Square root plus c1. Now we find the answer about number 1 equation, right? Very straightforward, right? Now we're gonna focus on like second equation, this guy, right? So number 2 is integral x multiply natural log x dx, right? To integrate this guy, we're gonna use like integration by part, right? So what is the integration by part? Integration by part. So integral fx multiply g prime x dx equal to fx multiply gx minus integral f prime x multiply gx dx, right? So we can use this guy to here. So let fx equal to ln x and g prime x equal to x, right? This guy is more easy to integrate, and this guy is more easy to this guy is more easy to derivative, and this guy is more easy to integrate, right? So what about f prime x equal to 1 over x, right? And what about gx is 1 over 2x squared, right? So we can put it all of this term here to here. So what is fx? Fx is ln x, and gx is 1 over 2x squared, right? And minus integral, what about f prime x is 1 over x, and gx is 1 over 2x squared dx, right? So we can more simply, so, and then 1 over 2x squared ln x, right, minus 1 over 2 integral x dx, right? So now 1 over 2 x squared ln x minus 1 over 4x squared plus c2. We can integrate very easily, right? 1 over 2 x squared, right? So multiply each other, then 1 over 4, right? So what about 1? What is the answer of the number 1? Number 1 is, yeah, we can rewrite whole equation like this, right? 1 equal 2, right? 1 equal 2. So what is the number 1 answer? Is here, this guy, negative 1 over 2 square root 1 minus y fourth power plus c1 equal to, what about second answer? Is this guy, right? So 1 over 2 x squared ln x minus 1 over 4 x squared plus c2. Right, now we can move this guy to here, minus c1, and then we can call this whole constant c3, right? So minus 1 over 2 square root 1 minus y fourth power equal to 1 over 2 x squared ln x minus 1 over 4 x squared plus c3. Now we can use like initial value to find c3, this unknown constant. So we can use y0 equal to 1. No, sorry. y1 equal to 0. Alright, y1 equal to 0. Right? So we can put it 1 instead of x, and we can put it 0 instead of y. Right? So 1 over 2 if we just 1, right? Because this time it's just 0, right? And what about this one? If we put it 1 over 2, 1 square multiply ln1 minus 1 over 4, 1 square plus c3, right? This guy is 0 because of this one. This one is 0, right? So, what is c3? So, minus 1 over 2, right? Equal to 1 over 4 plus c3, right? So, from here, c3 equal to minus 1 over 4. Right? So we can put it this guy to here. Right? So we can rewrite 1 over 2 square root 1 minus 4's power equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 x squared add an x minus 1 over 4 square minus 1 over 4. Right? So we can this answer more like pretty, I mean, right? You can rewrite the answer more pretty. So you can rewrite one more time to answer 1 over 2 square root 1 over y first power equal to 2x squared ln x minus 1 over 4x squared minus 1 over 4. Right? And this in this situation we can multiply -2 to whole equation. Right? So now we can get square root y minus 4's power equal to negative x squared ln x and plus 1 over 2 x squared plus 1 over 2. Right? And now we can square to whole equation, right? So 1 minus y fourth power equal to minus x squared ln x plus 1 over 2 x squared plus 1 over 2 square. Right? So y fourth power equal to, so these guys go to here and these guys go to here. So minus x squared ln x plus 1 over 2 x squared plus 1 over 2 square and plus 1. Right? So what is the y of x? Equal to like this. Right? Minus x squared ln x plus 1 over 2 x squared plus 1 over 2 square plus 1. Right? Finally, we can find the right answer about this problem. Right? So that's about it. If you got a lot of help, just press button like and subscribe. Thank you.